it doesn't start raining too hard. Well, yeah, but I don't want her to get rained on, or the camera, or... What is that? Is there a bottle cap melted to it?
Glass melted to it.
Glass melted to this vase. Bottle cap melted to it. That was an entire bottle that melted against it. The top of the bottle and everything. Glass panes. Gone, shattered, broken. Did you make that, Dad? Here, let me get it. Let me get a close up of it.
Aunt Sherry made one, I think, and I made one.
You made that in school. That's really cool, Dad.
Is it open?
Yeah, it's all on the line.
Yeah, it might have something in it.
Okay, can we get this toolbox out right
If you
here?
can open it.
Can we pull it sideways?
She's sitting on top of the hood.
She's okay. She's not. I know. If it starts raining real hard, I'll put it in the...
I don't want to break it.
Well, it's already pretty much done for anyway.
Just nuts and bolts and...
I didn't know if he had any important tools, since he's a carpenter and lost all of his tools. Yeah. Stuff's strong. Could you please keep an eye on her while I go around and get some of this on the perimeter? You don't have to touch her. Are you okay?